Hello guys, and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Hi guys, I'm back with another quick and easy dessert. So today I'll be making for you banana grape nut ice cream. Now if you'd like to see me do this, then follow me. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Now, most of us do love ice cream and cannot have it, especially those who can't have a lot of dairy. Now, this is for those people who want to have ice cream but just don't want the dairy. Here, watch it. No, you don't have to use grape nut. You can use any combination you like. You can use cherries or strawberries or mango, whatever fruit or add-ins, or maybe nuts. Anything that you like to make this ice cream, whatever you enjoy. For my banana grape nut ice cream, I'll be using some very ripe bananas, and they've been freezing for about 2 days. Now I've soaked my grape nut in some almond milk. And here I have a tablespoon of gelatin, and this prevents the ice cream from getting too hard. Easy to scoop. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And finally, some almond essence. Now I'm going to place my banana in the food processor. And we can do them in 2 batches if it's too small. I've sliced them. Now I've used 6 very ripe bananas, and when it starts getting that speckle, that's the best time for it. Now I'm going to add some condensed milk. Now you can add simple syrup if you don't want any milk at all. Put our cover on, and then we're going to blend. The gelatin in, and then I'm going to whisk again. Let me get on with the rest, and I'll come back when I'm finished. Finished. Let me put our grape nut in. Wow, let's see. Smooth, yeah? Very smooth. Now it's time to put our grape nut in. I don't want a lot of liquid, so I'm going to skim it from the top and just drop it in and give it a quick pulse. Quick pulse and freeze. Oh, add a bit of almond essence for that taste, grape nut signature taste, and then pulse for another few seconds. That's it. Now we're done. Oops. Now it's time to put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Now this is how smooth and soft it is after a day of freezing, and this is because we added the gelatin. Oh guys, you need to try this. Banana grape nut ice cream. It was so good. It was rich and creamy, even though we only added a little condensed milk. It was still creamy. You couldn't tell that there wasn't any cream in it. And let me tell you, banana and grape nut goes well together. Try it. Here I served mine with a fruit salad and just a drizzle of strawberry syrup. Guys, it was delicious. And guess what? Guilt-free. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.